All right, guys, this is the second of these videos in DS2 displaying single data sets. We're now looking at dot plots. Dot plots are actually, they look very simple, and they are, but they are actually fantastic for showing small numbers of scores. If you've got heaps of scores, then they're not so great. They get a bit messy, and there's much better ways of displaying that. But when there's only a small number of scores, then these are really good. Realistically, in our class, there's 18 of us, plus me. This would be a good way of displaying all the data from us. And we may do that later on, but at the moment, we're just going to have a look at worked example 2 here, which is showing the scores out of 10 achieved by 11 students. Okay, so you can see the scores there, 748, 767, 658, 95. Not bad scores. What we're going to do is we're going to display this on a dot plot. Now, in the think section down here, it says draw a number line showing all numbers from 0 to 10. It's actually all whole numbers, all integers. Don't worry about that, but just want to be, accurate. And then what we're going to do is place a dot on the appropriate number for each score, stacking the dots to show where more than one of the same score has occurred. It is as simple as it sounds. So up we go. Easiest way to do it is 7 is our first number, so just cross that out and put your dot. 4 is your next number, put your dot, and go so on and so forth. If you cross them out as you go, then you're pretty much safe to make sure you got all of them. The only other thing is that when you're doing these, when I do this next 6, I want to make sure that those two line up with each other. If that makes sense, you want them to always be in a line. Same as if you had another 6, you want it to be in line there. Okay, so going back, we've got a 5, an 8, once again, all 3 of them in line with each other. Okay, then we have a 9, and we have a 5. And it is simple as that, guys. There's much more information that we can get from this dot plot. You can work out the range, very easy. You can work out the mode, very easy. And that's stuff that we'll do later on. But at the moment, that's all you need to do. Very straightforward. And that took us less than 3 minutes. Well, just over 3 minutes now that I've waffled for a bit. So you should be now capable of doing all the questions that involve dot plots, unless it asks for more stuff, but we'll get to that. Cheers.